Hi Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection Energy reading for the month of July 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Aries, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy on your soulmate and twin flame connection for the rest of July 2021. Also Aries, please know that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you Aries, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising and your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Okay, so let's look at into your reading here. Aries, on this side here is your energy, and then on this side here is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Looking at the sign that I'm getting coming up for you here, Aries, I'm getting a very strong earth energy, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces, as well as fire sign here as well, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. So you could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have those signs strongly in their chart. Looking at your energy here, Aries, is quite interesting because I've got the loving women, I've got the fool, and then I've also got the death or the Lord of Shadows. So let's start with this loving women energy. The gender does not matter, it can be a male or female, but with this loving women energy here, as well as the new beginning, the death energy coming up here, I feel like you have gone through a massive rebirth within yourself here Aries, and I feel like the climax, I would say here, or like the reaching point, I would say here, is during the upcoming full moon this particular month of July 2021. So I feel like you have gone through so many of realization, so many of awakening journey within yourself here Aries, to be the person that you are supposed to be at this point of time. You are more in tune with your intuition, you are more in tune with your emotion, with your feelings, as well as you're also integrating with the divine feminine or the divine masculine that you're supposed to be here. So with this death energy that I've got coming up for you, this is what's going to be bringing up a lot of new beginning energy coming up for you here. So this upcoming full moon is going to be really significant for you here Aries, because you are also going to make a decision whether you are going to, you are also going to make a decision here whether you are ready to step up into the next phase of your journey. Now, even though at this point of time here with this full energy and the death energy, I'm getting a very strong new beginning or the reconciliation between both of you, but I feel like what is going to happen during this particular full moon, or at least the rest of the month of July 2021 here, you're going to be more in tune within yourself. There is going to be a very strong a new phase of your life here, but more specifically here is that on your own spiritual journey, on your own personal journey first here Aries, before actually moving forward into a committed relationship, before moving forward into the union to happen between you and your person here Aries. Now another thing that I've got coming up for you here is that with this King and the Queen of Wands energy coming up strongly. So for those of you who are still wondering whether this person or whether this particular connection is a very strong soulmate or twin flame connection here, with these two major energy here, this is already a huge confirmation, I would say here Aries, because both of you coming up here from a similar level, from the same energy, I would say here, where you are coming up as a Queen of Wands energy and your person coming up as a King of Wands. Again, the gender and the role can be interchangeable, but what I'm getting coming up here is that with this Queen of Wands energy, as you might see here, you are stepping up into your power. So there are no more guilty, there is no more like self-blaming, there is no more regretful energy, that you are finally unapologetically stepping up into your own power and finally putting up yourself first here Aries. So in that case, you are definitely already on the right track here is what I'm getting. Now with this King of Wands energy here, you are also already establishing the balance between the feminine and the masculine energy within yourself. So at one hand here, you are actually stepping up into your own power, but on the other hand here, you are not letting that to a point where like you are becoming egoistic, or you are becoming selfish. So there is like this huge balance actually happening within yourself here, Aries. Now I'm also getting a third party situation, so this can be from your energy or from your person energy here, especially with this High Priest and the Justice energy coming up here. A third party situation, or more specifically I would say here, Aries, is a marriage. So either you are currently with someone or your person is currently with someone, but whatever it is here, with this Justice energy that I'm getting coming up here, this is a very strong legal issue or legal system is what I'm getting coming up here, Aries. So I feel like if there is a third party situation, or if there is any karmic situation that is currently holding you or holding your person back here, it's definitely coming up to the end. I've got the completion of a cycle coming up here. So you're definitely, both of you here, you and your person, both of you are definitely going to be getting the justice that you deserve. Now let's look at into your person energy here, Aries. I've got your higher self, I've got the Devil coming up here, and then I've got the Four of Wands. So let me go through with this, your higher self and the Devil energy coming up here. So one thing that I've got coming up from your person here is that they have been surrounded, or they've been surrounding themselves here, or they are currently being surrounded with a lot of toxic energy. In this case here, with this Devil energy here, I'm getting like a very strong manipulative and deceitful type of energy, or deceitful type of situations is what I'm getting coming up from your person here, Aries, which I feel like this could be talking about the third party or the karmic situation that they're currently stuck with here. So with this Devil energy and the High Priest and the Justice energy coming up here, all of this manipulative situation or toxic situation that your person is currently in at this point of time here, they're starting to come into that realization here as well. So the mutual energy that I'm getting coming up for both of you here, Aries, is awareness. So you on this, you on yourself here is starting to aware about your own power, starting to step into your own power, starting to be integrating with your divine feminine or divine masculine energy, while your person here, they are also becoming more in tune with their higher self is what I'm getting coming up here from your person energy here, Aries, which is what making them realize is like all of this deceitful situation, all of this manipulative situation within their life here. And this is also another reason why I've got the present power energy coming up here as well. They are now at this point of time here, they are on this particular transformation here to understand, or basically like to see through any hidden motivation, like I said, deceptions and manipulation, and they are trying their best at this point of time here, it is to stay focused at the present time, to be stay focused at their own present power here, which is what's going to be resulting in the union coming up here between both of you with this Four of Wands energy. Because the moment that they are aware, because they are currently becoming aware about all of this deceitful and manipulative situations surrounding them here, and the more it's becoming clear to them here, the more they're actually seeing that both of your connection here is something sacred and something like they've never experienced before, I would say here, Aries. And this is what going to I won't say trigger them, this is what going to make them come back towards you and starting up the union here, Aries. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.